With the popularity of streaming content, many creators have turned to a common piece of software to ensure that their streams are pulled off without a hitch. The framework of the immensely popular streaming software OBS Studio has been exploited by a new piece of malware to capture the screens of its victims. It will install OBS to perform and stream screen recordings to a server controlled by the attackers. The Trojan, dubbed BIOPASS RAT, includes common Trojan capabilities such as remote desktop access, command execution, data exfiltration, and the ability to steal browser and chat data, among other things. BIOPASS misuses the object storage service of Alibaba Cloud to host malicious scripts and store the data stolen from victims. BIOPASS poses as a software update for Adobe Flash Player, Microsoft Silverlight, and other well-known applications. The malware is often hidden in malicious JavaScript code on the support chat pages of gambling websites. The AI-based and behavioral detection in Acronis Cyber Protect will identify and block even new Trojans like BIOPASS based on the behaviors they exhibit, keeping your data safe.